September the 27th, about 5:30 p.m. Soy 11, Sukhumvit Bangkok. Just going to have a day walk all the way down Soy 11. Across the road there's the Citadines Hotel on Soy 11. There's also another one on Soy 8. Across the road over there's the Mercury Hotel, Soy 11. Mercury, Mercura Hotel, same but different. Anyway. Hemingway is a really good restaurant on Soy 11. Highly recommend it. Across the street here you got Mules, I think you say it. Good for sports bar. Lots of expats there. We've got a beer. We've got a German bar here which is really good for food. I come up to the Ambassador Hotel just in here. It's a massive complex. That's where I'm staying currently. You can see a video I've done on it, just a short one. still the Ambassador Hotel. That's one wing, and the other wing is on the other side. I think the Sky Wing is on the left. No, I forget what wing this is. But it's a massive complex. It's got shops, restaurants, tailors, you name it. All within inside the same complex. Well, you can see with the traffic all the way down there, that's Sukhumvit Road, and Nana Station is from here probably 200 metres. Across there is the Grand Business Inn. I might stay there next time I'm here, just to do a review on it. Soy 11's great. It's got all these little side alleys over here. Restaurants, cafes, bars. Really a real good vibe to this place, Soy 11. Right, Sukhumvit Road. Chaos. Soy 8 across the road. And the BTS. Down the station, up the stairs, up there. I'll try and come back at night time. Durian? Yeah. Good? Right, during the night time, Soy 11 Sukhumvit Bangkok. It's raining here, so see how we go. I may get yelled at by some of the girls not to film. I might slip over too, but it's very I'm in pluggers here, so a bit slippery. Wipe the camera off a couple of times. I'm just going to walk on the road actually because it's not slippery on the road. yeah, Sukhumvit Soy 11, Bangkok. It's a great great place to be. It's got condos over here. It's got hotels, restaurants, bars, clubs. Probably one of the go-to places in Bangkok, actually. Sukhumvit Soy 11. It is the rainy season and it's a bit wet. I'll probably get run over on the road, but probably take my chances. Ambassador Hotel, that's where I'm staying. Trying to be respectful for all the places if they don't want to be filmed. Right, back to the hotel. Probably halfway down the street now. Alright, we're coming up to the right there. There's a sports bar. You would have seen it in the daytime. Really good for sports. They show every sport. It's 2 AM in the morning. And across from it is a German place. I prefer the German place because the service is better, spread out a little bit, and the selection of food is really good. Well, the German place is right here. Bar restaurant, really good. It's got a balcony. It's got a rooftop bar too, so they have live bands on there too. Sugar Club. To the right there's the Mercury Hotel. And we've got Hillary 3 right here. It's one of 4 Hillary's clubs in Bangkok. Once again, we've got the Citadines Hotel right here, and then Holiday Inn at the end there. So if you remember from this morning, from daylight, I started just about 100 meters over here. It's Wednesday night. It's pumping every night. It's a Saturday or Friday night here in Bangkok, in Thailand. Right, here we got the this hotel on the top, on the Crave nightclub on the top there. There's a rooftop bar. So it goes off just for reference. Club. You got a taxi driver. What's your name? Knock. Knock. Hello, Knock. That's Knock, the taxi driver. I've had to dub a lot of the music out from the nightclubs just for copyright, so you may hear some random sirens and some motorbike sounds. Yeah, pretty it's raining. Anyway, it's still going off. This is where we started. I'm not going to go any further. Might cross the road here. Right, here's Hillary's 11. Even though it's called Hillary's 11, I think there's only 4 Hillarys in Bangkok, but it's called Hillary's 11. Alright, no worries. Anyway, in the circumvit Soy 11, it does go around the corner here, but I'm not going to go any further. All condos around the corner. Righto. Apologies for the rain and the vision. It was actually raining quite heavily, so I can only limit it to what I can film and what you can see. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Plenty more coming out. Any comments, any questions, just let me know and I'll endeavour to answer them, and any feedback would be good. Thank you.